Assalamu alaikum. So we're gonna start with basic Smoothy to review some of the commands we took last semester to have a fresh your information to help you to continue the challenges and be ready for the final project. So we're gonna start with the first challenge, which is the shape challenge, and we're gonna review some of the commands we took last month. So one of the commands we took was ellipse. Ellipse, you can draw a circle or an oval, and you have to provide the width, which is the x reference to the x-axis, which is the x-axis, and the height represent the y-axis. Now, if the to be able to draw a circle, you have to define an object name. This object name could be any name you give it, like a circle or a head, or any example or a name you like to give the object. You can name it, and the command will be writing is ellipse. Then you have to provide the width and the height. Now, if the width and the height are the same, you're gonna have a circle. But if the width is higher than the height, means the x-axis is bigger than the y-axis, you're gonna have an oval shape, as we see. So based on the width and height, you can have the oval as vertical or horizontal based on the number you give. So in the second example, you can see the width is 200 and the height is 100. So you can see we have an oval shape on the x-axis. If we switch the numbers, if the width is 100 and the height is 200, you can see the oval is in the y-axis side. The other commands we took last month as well, which is rectangle. In the rectangle command, you can draw square or a rectangle, similar to this to the circle, where you have to provide width and height. If the width and height are the same, you're gonna have a square. But if you have the width is 100 and the height 200, you can see it's gonna be a rectangle by the y-axis. If you have the width is 200 and the height 100, you will see you're gonna have rectangle on the x-axis. The last command you can use with any of these commands is to change the color. When you draw a shape, the default color will be black. So you can change it to any color using the object name, the one you use to draw the rectangle or the circle or the ellipse. You have to use that to change. Then you have to specify the color, and you have to have the word of the color in double quotes. As we see here as an example, it needs to be in double quotes for the color red. So to able to look what you need to do for So to take examples, I have Shadi is going to help me with today's recording, and we're going to use his account to see some of the examples for how to do the challenge for the shape challenge. So I have Sami here, Shadi here is going to help me with the commands. Man, what's this? What are you doing? We're not going to do smoothie. We're going to code smoothie. So he's gonna be my helper today. We're gonna do some coding together, and he's gonna explain some of the work he did. So to be able to do, if you want to see the challenges, there's two ways to do that. By doing click on the icon when you log into Hello Code. When you click on it, it's gonna you can click on your name when you based on the username and password you have. That's your name here. You click on it. It shows your progress. For example, how many challenges do you complete? Total points and how many line of codes you completed. And if you go down, you start seeing the challenges. And it's going to show you here which ones you complete, which ones you need to finish. So if I click on the shape challenge, it's going to show me that we have 44 easy ones and 4 hard ones. Today we're going to talk about the easy ones. So I'm going to go to in this screen, you cannot save or submit your work. Here it shows the progress, what you have done in Hello Code. To be able to work and write the code, you have to go to Project Builder. You click on Project Builder, Projects, then you go to Level Projects, and you can see these are the ones we need, you need to work on. So we're gonna take, review those quickly. So when you click on one of these, like the 2 circles, as a quick tip, you have to count each box. Now this image is shrinked. So sometimes the circle looks like an oval, but actually it's a circle. So each box is 50 points. If we count those, you have 50, 100, 150, 200. So the width, which is the x-axis, is 200, and the height is for y-axis is 200, same as the width. So and always we have to start with the lower layer of the objects. So we have 2 objects. We can see that the black on the top of the red. So that means we start with the lower level, which is the big circle first, which is the red. Then we do the black one. If we start with the black one first, and then we have the red will cover the black one. So that always we have to look at the objects and start with the lower level. Like having 2 pieces of papers, you put the red one at the bottom and then you put the black one on the top. So this is how you need to think about using code to create objects. So again, now if we need to know the measurement for the black one, you can use the pencil on the screen and you can tell the width is 100 because we have 2 boxes. And if we need know the height, if we use a pencil, you can see that it's going to go to this point. So that means we have 2 boxes. So the black circle is 100 by 100. So the red one is 200 by 200 and the black one is 100 by 100. So I will hand it over to Shadi. He's going to tell us what code he used to complete this challenge.
Assalamu alaikum. So it's easy and has like 3 codes. So you have to use the ellipse command. And because if it was square, you have to use the square code. So then if there's no color on it, it's gonna be black. And when you have to change it, you put like any name dot change color with 2 quotations. So then this one, it has no color, so you don't make no color. And this is 100 because you can count it.
And what did you use a name for the challenge? So the first object name was Shadi, which is the red circle. And what's the second object? The second object, what did you
It has
call
to be
it?
the same name as the
That's to change the color. But the second object, what did you name it?
head.
Head. So the object name needs to be different. If you have 2 objects, you have to have two different names. You cannot use the same name for 2 different objects.
If you use the same one, it's gonna be error.
It's gonna give you an error message. Okay, so let's look at the second challenge. So remember, when you finish, you can do a run just to make sure everything looks good. If you did not finish working on it, you can save it and come back later to finish it. If you're done, if you finish the code, you can submit it. It's going to come to me. I'll review it and approve it. If there's a mistakes, I will send it back to you and ask you to fix it. So this way you can work on it. So in this case, it says resubmitted. So that means it came to me for approval. I will review it and approve it for Shadi. So we'll go to the next projects, and the same way we did Oh, by the way, if anytime you want to go to check if your work is correct, you can click on check project goal. It's going to show you what you need to do, just making sure you're matching the width and height for the objects. To go back and work on the second challenge, you're going to click on two rectangles. So in this one, let's have Shadi talk about it. So what's the first object we need to do in this?
We need to use the blue one.
The blue one, why? Because it's under the black one, right?
The width for it is going to be 200.
200 and the
And the
height?
height is going to be 100.
100. What about the black object? What's
The
the
black
width and
object
height?
is going to be it's going to be 200. No, the width is going to be 100 and the height is going to be 400. No, wait, 400, yeah.
How's 400? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 50.
Oh, yeah, 200.
200. So the width is 100 and the height is 200. So let's look at the code you did.
It's as easy like the first one. It's only three codes. So you have to, like the same thing, you have to do this, you have to change the names of it.
So the first object, you give it the name of what? Head.
Head.
And you change the color to what color?
To blue. So if you change it, it'll give you an error too.
And the second object, what did you name it?
Feet.
Feet. And you did the rectangle, what's the width and height?
The width and height is going to be 100 and height. And there, don't listen to the screen. It's right, but don't only count it. Don't like look at it because they're wrong.
The picture is shrinked.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's look at the second one. So the third one we're gonna work on is square and rectangle. So same way we have to count. So tell me, Shadi, what's the width for the black one?
It's 200.
200 and the height?
It's gonna be 200. 200.
What about the yellow
It's
box?
gonna be 100.
The width, what's the width?
Oh, the width is gonna be 50.
And the height is 100. So by using a pencil, you can tell it's the height is 100. If you use your finger or a pencil, it's gonna show that there's two boxes, which is 100. So talk to me about the code. What's the first object? What the name did you give it?
I named it wall.
Wall, and it was a rectangle.
I can't change the color because it comes in black already.
And the second object, what did you name it?
Head.
And
I changed the color yellow.
To yellow. Good job. So let's look at the last one for today. So the fourth one, we're gonna do ellipse and circle. So tell me, what's the width and height for the
width and height
for the oval?
The big circle, you have to do it first. You can see this is shrink too. So
count the boxes.
And 100, 200, 300.
It's gonna be height.
Height is gonna be
count
100.
No, count.
Oh yeah, 100, 200.
So the width is 300 and the height is 100. What about the green?
The green is gonna be 100.
100 and the height?
The height is gonna be,
if you do this,
it's 50. No, 100.
100. So it's 100 by 100. Tell me about the commands. What's the first object? Did you name it?
Shadi.
Shadi. And that's the big circle. So you have 300 by 200. And the second object, what did we call it?
Sammy.
And what's the height and width?
100, 100, and it's gonna
Then
be
you change the color to green. Good job. Thank you, Shadi. So this way, just we have an introduction for the beginning of the semester to refresh your memory about the commands we use and how to count the boxes and how to create an object and map it to and changing the color for these objects. So